An EPD is a report that quantifies the amount of embodied carbon in a specific construction product. An EPD is commonly referred to as a nutrition label for construction products.
So a nutrition label tells you the calories, sugars, fats, etc. The EPDs do the same thing except for a product. There's only a couple different producers in California that are really all in on this, and I think it kind of reflects Graniterock's sustainability perspective.
The focus, not just for now, but for the future, is environmental impact. So we're declaring how big of an impact our products have on the environment.
It allows customers, government agencies, Caltrans, to kind of compare the environmental attributes of one product versus another. In our case, concrete, asphalt, and aggregates. We have EPDs for all three of those categories. And what they do is they list the environmental categories, the characteristics. So how much carbon dioxide is embedded in our product?
Because we rail, that also is a benefit to us instead of trucking. So when we rail up to Redwood City or South San Francisco, we're still doing better than some of our competitors because we're not trucking and putting more vehicles on the road.
With asphalt, the feds are doing a series of pilot projects. And to qualify for these pilot projects, you have to have no more than a certain number of kilograms or pounds of greenhouse warming potential per ton of asphalt. And the mixes that we've done so far with our asphalt, they meet that criteria. So if any of these projects become available in California, administered through Caltrans, we would be able to bid on them. So you need to be able to meet that certain standard and able to be able to bid on them.
So the technicians, they're getting involved and saying, what if we did this? Do you think this will work? They are beginning to ask the questions and become very interested in how we make concrete lower carbon. It promotes the conversation and the brainstorming and gets everybody's ideas out on the table. Since most projects have concrete, asphalt, and aggregates, they are requiring that for all products.
So the biggest thing Graniterock can do, at this point anyways, is introduce RAP and get that recycled product back in there so that we're using less natural resources or raw rock and less oil because there's oil in that RAP. So we're two birds with one stone by reintroducing the RAP. Napa came out with a program that basically gives you a score for your different mixes. Are they railed? Are they trucked? The distance that they're coming from, the percentage of your raw aggregates, the amount of oil that's going in, and then how much RAP is going in, and also the temperature that you're making the mix. We're baselining a lot of our materials and our mixes, and we're pushing what we can do and talking to agencies and seeing if they can get on board with some of the initiatives that we're trying to get done.